This video will review some of the common setup options for your BBP35 or 37 printer. To access this, press the Menu button, then choose the Setup button under the System heading. First, you'll see the Clock Settings option. Here you can set when you want your printer to enter into sleep mode when inactive, and establish the format for how you want the time and date to display when you use the Time Date feature. Next, Localization allows you to change the language in which all the menus display and the units of measure. Text Defaults allows you to set your desired default font style, your text units, and text justification. Barcode Defaults allows you to set your defaults for barcode symbology and density. Next is the Printing Setup option. Here you can select your Auto Cut setting. For example, if you're printing 5 copies of a label, this setting will tell the printer to either cut in between each label or cut at the end of the print job. With Overprint selected, if you have 2 different colored objects printing on top of each other, Overprint will tell the printer to print the second color on top of the first color where they overlap. If this box is unselected, then when printing the first color, the printer will not place print where the second color would otherwise overlap it. You wouldn't want to overprint if you're printing colors where, if overlapped, would produce a blended color. Supply Saver is an option for when paneled ribbons are installed. With Supply Saver selected, if you are printing multiple labels, it will group labels where possible to print as many labels as can fit in a ribbon panel. With this option selected, it won't be possible to cut in between each label. Finally, if Print Label Boundary is selected, a border will print around your labels if the label is set to be smaller than the tape installed.